Alrighty, welcome back. We're going to work backwards now. So I'm giving you the volume and I'm asking you to find the diameter. So in a cone, our volume is 1/3 the area of the base times the height of the object. I actually know two of these three variables. I know the volume, it's 12.4 pi. I know the area of the base, nope, but I do know the height. Okay, so sorry about that. We are going to solve for B, the area of the base, then we'll get the diameter. So this one's actually pretty simple because 1/3 times 3 is 1. So 12.4 pi is actually the area of my base. And let's talk about area for a second. Area is pi times r squared. So if this is the area of the base, then 12.4 has to be r squared. So to find r, I'm going to square root the 12.4. Compare these two formulas. I said that a is pi r squared and b is 12.4 pi. The only thing that's different in here between the pi r squared and the 12.4 pi is this 12.4. So that's our r squared. So if I take the square root of 12.4, that gives me a radius of about 3.5. So to find my diameter, I double it. So my diameter is 7 feet. Okay, going backwards with number 9. Again, they give me a volume, and they want me to find the height. So because this is a pyramid, my volume is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. What do I know? I know the volume. Do I know the area of the base? Yes, it's 11 times 11. Do I know the height? No, that's what I'm solving for. So to get height by itself, I'm going to first multiply this out. So 1/3 times 11 gives me 40.3 repeating. So I'm going to keep that in my calculator and divide both sides by 40.3 repeating. 1452 divided by 40.3 repeating gives me 36. So that would be millimeters. So I'm not using squared or cubed units in these ones because I was just looking for this one dimension, just the length of the radius or the length of the height or the length of the diameter. So it's just in feet or millimeters. Okay, so they want me to find the area of the circle. So remember, area is pi r squared. So they said find the area if the diameter is 25. Well, I need the radius. So if the diameter is 25, then the radius, whoopsies. If the diameter is 25, that means my radius is half of that. So 25 divided by 2 gives me 12.5. So plug into your formula. So my area is 12.5 squared times pi. That is approximately 490.87 inches squared. In number 12, they actually give, I messed up. That was number 10. In number 11, they actually did give me the radius. This one's really easy. So area is pi r squared. My radius is 16.3. Now I'm getting tired. Can't talk. 16.3 squared and multiply that by pi, and I get approximately 834.69 centimeters squared. All right, last one, number 12, the hardest one in this section. they gave us the circumference, so we need to look at this formula. Then we'll get our radius, then we'll get our area. So if the circumference is 48 pi, then I need to divide by 2 pi to get my radius. 48 divided by 2 is 24, and pi divided by pi cancels out. So my radius is 24. Now plug into our area formula, and area is pi times that 24 radius squared. So 24 squared times pi gives me 1,809.56 feet squared. That's it.